Hi, this is Deborah Sable Thornbrew, and I'm going to introduce Unit 8, Desktop Publishing and Graphics, for our CSIT 125 Word class. In Blackboard, when you go to the Unit Assignments page, Unit 8 will be the next unit available. Notice that it is due by April 14th, and the late grace period ends on April 17th. I'm going to click into Unit 8. This unit has to do with desktop publishing. Desktop publishing is when you create graphic-rich documents like flyers, brochures, newsletters, advertisements, other things like that, using a software program on a computer. Now, I know you worked on a newsletter for the midterm, but we're going to be doing some more advanced things here in Unit 8. You're also going to use SmartArt, WordArt, tables, charts, text boxes, and other photos as well. When you come to the overview page, please read what we're going to be covering. The first topic area is the index page. Now, an index isn't necessarily a graphic object. It's not something that you would typically associate with desktop publishing, but it is included in this unit, and it's important to understand how to build an index, usually located at the back of a large document. Then when you scroll the page up some more, you'll get into the next section, which has to do with charts and SmartArt. Charts and SmartArt are used to illustrate different things. Charts are generally used to illustrate information and data, and SmartArt is generally used to illustrate hierarchies, processes, and workflows. So a chart, obviously this is a pie chart here. There are lots of different kinds of charts and different ways to format them and figure them. So it depends on what the data is, what the information is, which should sort of suggest the kind of chart that you want to see with it. With SmartArt, this is an example here of a SmartArt diagram. It's easy to see what's the hierarchy is here. Chris Doe is the president, Leslie Doe is the vice president, and then there's 3 other people below Leslie. Whereas if you just read it in a sentence, you would understand it, but it would be easier to conceptualize in your head for most people if you have a graphic that goes along with it. The skills covered in this unit have to do with customizing a theme and creating a custom theme, similar to what you've done before with custom styles, inserting and customizing text boxes, SmartArt, charts, and an index. Summary of the tasks you're going to do in Unit 8. Of course, you're going to read Chapter 8 in the textbook. Then you're going to log into SimNet and start and complete a Word project there and submit it in SimNet for grading. Finally, there is a Chapter 8 quiz to take in Blackboard. Please note that there is no discussion board piece or form required for Unit 8. It's just the reading, the project, and the quiz. So I'm going to scroll back up to the top, and I'm going to click into the assignment instructions page, which gives you detailed instructions on what to do. After you read the chapter, and of course as you read, I always suggest that you do the pause and practice exercises, and if you're reading it online in SimNet, do the online tutorials as well. There's a video here that I created for you that shows how to create an index in a long document, and then scroll down some more and you'll see information about the project you're going to be doing in SimNet. Please note that if you don't like the score that you earn after you submit it, you can take note of the feedback that you're given, and then you can rework the project and submit it once more to try to get a higher grade. If you'd like some extra help with charts or SmartArt, there are a couple of other videos down here that you can click into and watch that give you some pretty good visual help and support. And finally, the evaluation is located down here. Unit 8 is worth 50 points, and then the Chapter 8 quiz is worth 5 points. Please remember that Unit 8 is due by April 14th. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll be happy to help you.